Welcome. Today, we're diving into a helpful feature on Facebook you might not know about. How to mark a post as interested using the Facebook app on your PC. If you've ever spotted a post you want to come back to without reacting or commenting, this feature is a game changer, especially after the latest update. Let's break down this simple process step by step so you can make the most out of your Facebook experience. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with your usual account. The app might look a bit different from what you're used to on mobile, but all the functions are right at your fingertips. Next, start browsing as you normally would. Scroll through your feed or visit a specific page or group to find the post you're interested in. It can be anything: a photo, an event, or even a discussion thread you want to revisit later. Once you've found the post you want to mark, look towards the top right corner of that post. You'll see 3 small dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. After you click, a small drop-down menu will appear with a list of actions you can take. From those options, select the one that says Interested. Just one click. Now you've flagged this post for future reference. You won't notify anyone else, and it won't show up as a reaction or cause unnecessary notifications. From here, you can easily find your marked posts later and keep your feed organized without losing track of important updates or events. This feature is especially handy for staying on top of things you care about without cluttering your activity with extra likes or comments. And that's all there is to it. Remember, open the app, find your post, click the 3 dots, and choose Interested. Simple, quick, and super convenient. Try it out today and see how it transforms your Facebook browsing.